In this video, I will show you how to change folder picture on Mac. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is put on your Mac computer and navigate to the desktop of your computer. The next thing I'd like you to do is load up the image that you want to make the folder image. I want to make this image my folder image. It is the image of our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Kraus Media. Now you're going to locate the folder that we want to change the image for. So you're going to open a new finder and you're going to navigate to where you want to find the folder that you want to change the image for. And this is the folder that I want to change the image for. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the image. I'm going to click on the share icon and then I'm going to come to the bottom and click on copy. Now I'm going to go to the folder that I want to change the picture for. I'm going to click on these three dots here, and from here I'm going to click on get info. Now on the get info at the very top where it says the folder name and it shows the folder image, I'm going to click on that image. Once you click on the image should be highlighted. Now once I click on that image, I'm going to press command V on my keyboard, and once I press command V, you can see the image of the folder has been changed. Now that's how to change folder picture on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.